Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today, I am going to draw and color beautiful Peppa Pig step by step. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw its face. Then I draw the nose. Two beautiful eyes. Face drawing now. And these are two ears. Then I draw their bodies beautifully. And now I'm drawing these two legs. Peppa Pig hand. And its ice cream in hand. I'll draw another arm of the brick. And then draw the tail. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. The first color I'll give is pink. It's all over the face. Wow, that's great! Peach color. Red color. Blue color. Green color in its body. Black color in shoes. Now it's yellow color. Now I am giving you the light blue color below. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!